Hello, today we are going to see iron-rich food. So iron deficiency anemia is very common, and in the previous videos talked about the reasons and how to treat and all. Suppose you have iron deficiency anemia, first you have to follow the doctor's instruction, what medicines to be taken or how to treat that anemia. Then from our side, as a patient side, what are the foods you should take for the iron supplementation or the iron-rich food. Okay. First and foremost, we like to say, for absorption of iron in the stomach, we need acid and vitamin C. So acid is very important and vitamin C is very important for the normal absorption of iron in the stomach. And also when you take, when you have iron deficiency anemia and if you take iron-rich food, at that particular time, don't take tea, coffee. Tea, coffee and milk, they reduce the absorption of iron when you have that food. So with this, we go to the iron-rich food. So they can be easily divided into vegetarian and non-vegetarian. First is vegetarian. The vegetarian, everybody knows, any green vegetables, dark green vegetables or any dark colored vegetable is rich in iron. Second is greens, like any greens you can say, but especially the moringa, or what you call moringa. That is very important because we always advise them to take every day as a food, soup, a fry or whatever it is, take some moringa green leaves. That is very, very rich and cheaper also. The third one is, everybody knows about the dates. So the dates, the problem with the dates is if you are diabetic, you cannot take dates because that will raise the sugar. And so when you say about the dates, the color of the dates, if you look at the color of the dates, anything in that color has iron rich. Very simple. The iron is the one which gives that color. So dark raisins, the very high color, dark color raisins, they can also increase your dry grapes. We call that, that can raise your iron. And pomegranate easily. And if you come to the vegetables part, beetroot. Beetroot is rich in iron, but diabetics has to be a little careful. Okay, come to the non-vegetarian part. Non-vegetarians are really gifted because they are when you even have a small amount of non-vegetarian, the iron is very, very, very abundant in that. So any red meat, so iron as the color of the iron, any red meat, mutton, chicken, these can easily raise your iron level. And very importantly, we always say liver. So you can liver, the liver is the dark brown color liver, which is rich in iron. You can take it as a everyday, like fry, 50 grams to 100 grams of fry. Either it could be from the mutton or from the chicken or any liver is a good source of iron. That can also, they won't upset the stomach. The next is, spleen. Spleen also rich in iron. And the next one is blood. Any blood fry, it works very cheaper, and also it won't upset the stomach. The only thing is most of the people may not take it, but if you can have the blood fry, it's a rich source of iron. And bone marrow, the soft thing inside the long bones, they are abundant source of iron. So these are the main the sources of iron. And not only, and everybody loves egg. Egg also has a rich source of iron. And fish, when it comes to fish, so anything red meat, fish is good, especially sardines. They are a rich source of iron. So these are the iron-rich source of food. And when you have iron deficiency anemia, keep your acid level in a good level as well as your vitamin C, and don't take these. Avoid coffee, tea, milk during taking this food, and follow the doctor's instruction. Thank you.